Hello, my name is Rutvik Jalaria and I am the founder and MD of this company. Sunify is globally and domestically providing solar solutions with their 3.2 gigawatt TopCon facilities. We here are providing the market, and here we are presenting in the Maha Solar Expo for the B2B customers and the B2B meet. And this is the expo where we get grateful and cheerful customers, and also we received a lot of inquiry from this expo. So Maha Solar is the best for the B2B customer and also for the business. So thank you for inviting us and joining us. Welcome.